Hey y'all. Hello. Good evening. Good afternoonish. I'm hopping on to do a recipe. Hey. So I am doing a quick video because it's dinner time and I just came out with something good. I Googled, excuse me, everything's showing. I Googled quick chicken Asian recipes because I wanted to do something that's lean with flavor. So I'm going to share it with you. This is an Asian chicken. So it's just very general. I guess it would be Chinese if I had to place it because I'm using some of this kikkoman soy sauce. This is probably a product of Japan. Anywho. Okay, so I'm going to do like a little marinade. Hey y'all. So what I'm doing is I'm going to put now. This is going to be a grilled chicken type thing. So you want some lean, boneless, skinless chicken breast, which is pretty awesome for you. Are you? Okay, my son is. And then you want to do, you want to cut them because they're really thick. Maybe it's Walmart. Maybe it's the fact that they're probably GMO. Maybe, I don't know. But they're pretty thick. So I'm going to slice them lengthwise to thin them out. And then I'm going to sit them with soy sauce to get the flavor in there. So I'm going to make a marinade out of soy sauce, some minced garlic. It's almost gone, as you can see. If I had minced ginger, that would be even better. But I have powdered ginger, thanks to Publix clearance rack. A little powdered ginger. I'm also going to put some powdered garlic in there because I love garlic, pepper, and salt. Okay, so all of that is good for you. Awesome. This is also reduced sodium soy sauce, if that helps. And then the last little portion that you might want to put, I'm not going to put this on my portion, but the family I will. It's hoisin sauce. This stuff is loaded. Well, I won't say loaded, but the first ingredient is sugar. So if you're watching your carbohydrates and your weight, you want to use it sparingly because it's 50 calories, 9 grams of carbohydrates, 8 grams of sugar just in 1 tablespoon. So this is a good marinade for the family, or when you're in maintenance, you've already gotten where you want to go. So I am going to get started. I'm actually going to get a knife. Hey Donnie, I'm probably using the wrong knife for this, but I'm just going to slice this lengthwise. Y'all need to see all that. I hope you're having a good day, by the way. Hey Tony, hey Bryant. How y'all doing? Hi, park people. So they call it, I guess, like filleting it out. So now you can see it's thinner. It's kind of gross, but and the recipe calls for like this low sodium soy sauce. I'm gonna do it by eye because the recipe's on my phone and I'm using it. So I could have been better prepared. But just like, I guess, a 4th cup of soy sauce. I'm gonna put about maybe 2 tablespoons, whatever I can get out of this, minced garlic in here. All this stuff came from Walmart, y'all. So sorry for the noise. It all came from Walmart. So you can do this on a budget. The chicken is probably like the most expensive thing because it's boneless, skinless. And then once you buy all the extras, you can use them over and over again. So you might not need ginger all the time, but it's nice to have it if you're going to do some Asian meals. So I'm just putting a few shakes of ground ginger. I already put some minced ginger, and now I'm going to put some powdered ginger. And I'm just going to eyeball it for the salt and the pepper. So I just got a regular pepper grinder. We actually bought this on vacation at Dollar Tree because I want to eat better. Oh, I hope I don't get any chicken. I didn't think about that. You're right. So I'm watch out for that. So then I'm just gonna do a few grinds of that. Salt is salt. You gotta be careful. Sodium. But I'm using this mineral pink Himalayan sea salt because it's actual minerals in it. But you want to be careful. So I'm just gonna shake a little bit in there, and then I'm gonna create a little paste. Y'all bear with me. I gotta go get the brush. Okay, so now I got my little brush. I don't use this often, but when I'm making like marinades and stuff, it's nice to have. So if y'all can see what this looks like, it's just It's like a lumpy, drooly mess. As for sesame seed oil, I don't have anymore. I used to. I don't know what happened to it. I can't believe I actually used it all. Hey, Tina. But it's just, it looks, if I could show you what this looks like, it's not cute. But it's just a little mixture. Oh, and I dropped some of it. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to just put it on the chicken breast. I'm just brushing it out on there. Y'all tell me how your day was while I'm doing this, because I don't think I can... Hey, Miss Deborah, I don't think I can actively show y'all this without making even more of a mess. But it's really simple. So I'm going to make one with the mixture without the hoisin sauce, because I feel like it's a little bit cleaner if you're trying to eat clean without all the extras. And another thing I always do, because I am putting it on the grill and I really want the flavor in there, I'm going to let it sit for a little bit, but I'm going to, just cut the top of the chicken breast so that the seasoning and all the sauces can go in. So I can't show you guys that either because I didn't plan this very well. Okay, so the other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make one more mixture, but this time with the hoisin sauce, because I don't have fresh ginger. I feel like this will give that Asian-y taste. So we got sugar, water, soybeans, wheat flour, caramel, sesame oil, soy sauce, sugar, vegetable oil, garlic, pretty much the same thing as everything else, but with a little sugary base. So this one, if you're not, hey Jessica, if you're not worried about eating clean, or it's for the family, or you're in maintenance, you're already where you want to go, you can have some of this. It's 50 calories per tablespoon. Like I said, 9 grams of carb, 8 of those from sugar. So you want to be careful if you use this. I'm going to put like a 1/4 cup into my little mixing bowl. It looks almost like, if I could show you guys, it looks almost like barbecue sauce, but it's an Asian mix. So I'm gonna sit that there. I'm gonna add some salt and pepper, and I'm just making this mixture, and then I'm gonna throw it on the grill. So this is just something I just Googled really quick because I had like no real idea like what was gonna be for dinner. I made chicken tortilla soup yesterday, but then they ate it all. So it's like half a bowl left. So I gotta make something else because we're trying to save money, and it's not wise or healthy to eat out as much as we do. So I'm just adding all that to it. Again, the soy sauce, they have a Walmart brand that's cheaper. I just thought I'd kind of splurge for the name brand, but I get the sodium reduced because you can always add more salt, but you can't take it away. So if it's already in there, there's not a lot you can do. So I just make a marinade. Again, it's hoisin sauce, a little ginger, ground ginger. If I had fresh ginger, it probably tastes so much better. But I've got ground ginger. I've got hoisin sauce. This is the maintenance mixture. Low sodium soy sauce, salt and pepper, a little bit of sea salt and regular pepper grinder, and then some garlic powder. Just gonna throw that in there, and it just becomes like a little mixture. I'm gonna let it sit because I don't think everyone's starving, so it's gonna be really cool to let it sit and let all the flavors get in, and then I'm gonna let y'all know how it turns out. Cast iron skillets, always the best. I found this at Burlington. It's like a griddle on one side and like a grill on one side. And the way my oven is set up, it has a long, I guess, burner right in the middle. So I guess I might come back and show y'all how that turned out. But I'm just going to throw it on there so I can get the nice grill marks and everything. I'm going to let it sit. If y'all want the recipe, let me know. Or I can just add it in the comments once this is up. But what y'all got for dinner? Anybody? What y'all making? Because I had no idea. And it's like, okay, it's 5 something. Everybody's here. Jay just left for like a men's meeting, so he'll be back, and he's probably gonna want something to eat. And I'm gonna be like, oops, I was working. So y'all got any? Hey, brother Shane. Look, I can't beat the Boston butt, so I'm not gonna try. I'm just putting some chicken breast with Asian like soy sauce, hoisin sauce, garlic, soy sauce. I already said that. Garlic, ginger, stuff like that. I would show it to you, but I can't. I don't have my setup up right now. But I want to share that recipe with y'all. If y'all want the recipe for this, let me know. The biggest thing is just letting it sit. If I would have thought of this earlier, it probably tastes a lot better by the time it was ready, because it would be marinating longer. But I'm just rambling now. I hope y'all having a blessed day. Ooh, chicken sandwiches. That sounds so good. Nice. I made pulled barbecue sandwiches, I think a couple nights ago. I don't know which night because I just didn't have any idea what to make. And I used the Sister Schubert rolls. They're pretty good. So I made like sliders. And I was supposed to make coleslaw and stuff, but I got a little bit short on time. So I didn't have a side. And the boys ate at church. So they really, I think that was church. They really didn't even want any. But me and Jay ate them. They were pretty good. Yeah. So anyway, I hope y'all having a good day. Hey, Miss Chantel, let me know what y'all having for dinner. Let me know if you want the recipe. I'm gonna cook this. I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit, and then I'm gonna grill it. And then I'll probably make rice for the guys so they can have have it on a bed of rice. And then for me, I'm gonna take this chopped cauliflower. I usually chop it myself, but I got lazy, so I got this bag of chopped cauliflower from Walmart. Oh, banana pudding. I know how to make banana pudding pretty well, actually. I used to make that every year for my family Thanksgiving. But chopped cauliflower, I'm gonna use this, and once you cook it down, it's kind of like rice-like, and it takes on whatever flavor you put in it. So I'm gonna do this with mine, and it's gonna be pretty healthy. I'm trying to get back on track because it's easy to get off track. But as long as you have a plan, it's a lot easier to stay on track. As long as you got a plan in the recipe, and if you don't wait. So that's it. I'm gonna send y'all. Well, I'll share the recipe. IM me if you want it in a pretty package. And then if you have any questions or you want to show me what you're eating for dinner, y'all can leave a little. Nice. He made a new cheese pasta. It was good. Yes, that's awesome. I was able to make the cauliflower breadsticks once, but it came out like mac and cheese because I didn't have a cheese. What they call it? What is it? The cheese strainer? The cloth, cheesecloth. That is so good. They ate it. I love that. Hey, Miss Amy. Hey, Tiara. Yeah. As long as it's flavored well. I made them like a stir fry. They ate that up because there was lots of, flavor in it. But cauliflower, they act like it don't even have that much taste. It's like it's not the end of the world. So I might do that. I'm gonna get that recipe for you. And so if I could show y'all this without making a mess, I'm gonna marinate it. I just cut them thin and just added all this lovely seasoning to it. I don't even think I added salt to the second one, which is good because the hoisin sauce has a lot of stuff in it and I don't want to overdo it. But hey, I don't want to ramble, y'all, but that's it. I'm gonna put it on the grill, and then yes, I hope it's good. Send me that recipe though, because hey, Miss Renee, hey Jerry, hey. Oh, you see Devin. Hey, Donnie was over here too. He likes to hop into videos and stuff. You didn't tell me about it.
They didn't tell us the day of.
See how kids do? Anyway, hey Deborah. I hope y'all having a blessed day. Yeah, I'm gonna share this recipe. I'm gonna put it on the grill. I wish I could get it because I think it's gonna sizzle real nice. Not like the Boston butt though. Anyway, see y'all. Hope y'all have a blessed day and take care. And if you want the recipe, let me know. Bye. Have a good night and let me know what you're eating. Hey. I don't want to get jealous though because I'm having cauliflower and grilled chicken. So if it's something like amazing, I might hate a little bit. Shay said hey. Hi. Hey Donnie. All right. See y'all. Bye.